Welcome to the UniFi Talk Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be setting up the Smart Attendant in the UniFi Talk dashboard. You'll first want to log into the UniFi portal. Click on the UniFi Talk icon. Select the Engagement tab. In the upper right corner of the screen, click on the Add Smart Attendant button. Type in a name of your choice here. Click on Next. From the Numbers drop-down, select the number you want your Smart Attendant to answer from. As an optional setting, you can enter the extension here. Configure the ring back and hold music if you want it to be set to something other than the default setting. Click on Next. From here, you can decide if you want your Smart Attendant to work differently based on business hours. Click on Next. From here, you can enable callers to be able to dial an extension to connect with a user or group without going through Smart Attendant menus. Click on Next. On this page, you can generate, record, or upload a greeting for your Smart Attendant. To generate a greeting, type in your greeting here. If you desire to record a greeting, click on this radio button. You can then use your microphone to record a message. You could also upload a greeting from an MP3 file. Click on Next. From the last step, you can decide where to direct calls based on the caller's key press. Fill in your desired key presses and prompts, then select the users or groups you want your Smart Attendant to direct the call. You can fill in as many as 3 key presses in the initial configuration. Click on Finish when you're done. A flowchart with your configuration appears. You can optionally add more key presses to this flowchart by hovering over this box and clicking on the plus sign. From here, you can add the key press and prompt. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Smart Attendant in UniFi Talk. Check back for more helpful videos on UniFi Talk, as well as other helpful guides.